Hello guys, I am Pranali from Robotics. So today we are going to learn about the RQT console in ROS2. So it is a tool in ROS2 that helps us look at log messages from nodes in much clearer and organized way. So normally when we run the nodes, log messages just appear in the terminal and can be hard to follow, especially when many nodes are running. So with RQT console, you can just highlight and view and manage that log messages from ROS2 nodes. So that's help you to manage and save that log messages to understand what's happening in our system. So let's see. Before we start, make sure you have RQT console. I have already installed it on my system, so install that one also. So let's start. First we'll run this command to it will open GUI window for me, which is a graphic user interface window. So this top section, which is show log messages as they come in. Then this is a middle section, we can filter messages by severity. So severity is, I'll explain you later what is that, its type and all that. Then bottom section, which is like we can highlight messages containing a specific word. So you can add multiple filters using that plus sign. So let's start turtle sim. I'll just run that one. So this is a turtle window. Now to generate that some log messages, we have to say in that RQT console. So this command moves the turtle forward continuously into the wall. As that turtle hits that wall, RQT console will show repeated warn messages. So let's see. I'll just open it for you so you can. So normally when turtle sim window is open, there is a severity default is info. So that's why you can see this messages. Now if I set it to warn, you can see the warning messages. So because this is an unexpected behavior, once you have seen enough messages, then you can just press Ctrl C, but you can see the warning messages. So from that we can just analyze. So now let's understand first what are the logger levels. So this logger levels, which is ordered by severity, as I said. So every log messages in ROS2 has a severity level. Severity tells you how important the message is. This helps you focus on critical issues without being distracted by normal updates. So first is fatal, which is the system may shut down to protect itself. It means the system shut down. Like for example, a fire alarm in a factory. For that immediate action required, that time fatal informs you. Error, which is something went wrong, the system may not work correctly. If there is an engine light in your car, you can keep driving carefully, but there is a problem. That way. Then warn, which is unexpected behavior might indicate a problem, but the system keeps working. For example, a traffic yellow light which proceed with caution. Then normal info, which is a default. Normal status or events used to show what system is doing. So suppose your car dashboard showing speed or fuel level, so that in that way. Debug is detailed messages for developer, which is step-by-step internal informations. So default logger level is info. This one. So this means info, warn, error, fatal messages are shown. Debug messages are hidden unless you specifically enable them. Okay. So let's see. Okay. Now we'll change the logger level, okay, to the warn. Okay. First we'll just run it. I'll just stop this, Control C, stop this. Okay, I'll run that. Okay, so if I run this, you can see the warning messages, okay, are there. Okay, so before I have set the warn messages, like warn as a severity level. So for now it is showing me the warn, okay, but when I just run the simple command like this one, when I run this one, that time it shows me info, like the node is started, but this time it's not showing me any messages like the node is started. It just telling me about the warning that the turtle is hitting that wall. Okay, so in that way it's very easy. Just you can just change that logger levels. So now when we set this one, that time info message will not appear, so this will making it easier to focus on important warnings and errors. Okay, so it's important when we have to do in that way. So RQT console is a powerful tool that visualize and inspect log messages from your ROS2 nodes. So you can just filter messages by severity, highlight messages, and analyze the sequence of events or understand your system. So it is extremely useful when working with multiple nodes or complex systems. Okay, so I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any queries, you can just ask me in the comments. Thank you for watching this video. Keep exploring.